Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Binance on your macOS. This is pretty cool and simple. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First of all, you have to open your browser. So we'll use the Safari browser. First of all, click on this launchpad and here you have to search Safari. Open the browser. And now you have to search here Binance Download Mac. Normally click on this download button. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see another option here, macOS. From here, choose the chip of your MacBook. As I am using Apple Silicon chip, so I am choosing this option. And it is going to download Binance app. And here you can see that the file is downloading now. So here you can see that the file has been downloaded. Now click on it. And you will see an interface like this. Normally, hold this file and drag it to the Applications folder. And that's it. We have successfully installed the Binance app on our macOS. So to open that, click on this launchpad again and try to find that app. Here is the app. Click on it. And now your macOS will verify the app. Normally click on this Open button. And that's it. This is our Binance app for macOS. That's all about today's video, how you can download and install Binance on Mac. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.